Hey everybody, it's Tommy Anderson, and I just wanted to show you my latest project. It's a 1975 Lindberg kit of the Junker Ju-88. It was in 1/64 scale, which is kind of weird. You know, this was a repop of their old one they made back in the 50s, a totally different case. And it back then, when they were called box scale, they had no set standards like we have today. But I picked it up at a model show at a very decent price, you know, less than $10, and I never had it, never built this one before, so I wanted a quick and easy build. So here it is. Please enjoy the pictures of my assembly and the final assembly pictures. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more. These pictures of the Junker Ju-88 I took at the U.S. Air Force Museum in Dayton, Ohio. The Junkers Ju-88 was a twin-engine German combat aircraft and one of the Luftwaffe's most versatile aircraft of World War II. Served in many different capacities. Level bombers, dive bombers, torpedo bombers, reconnaissance aircraft, ground aircraft, heavy fighters, and night fighters. The vintage 1975 Lindberg 1/64 scale Junker Ju-88 model is just a repop of the Ju-88 that they've been making and releasing since the mid-50s. It's a classic Lindberg model kit. It captures the appearance of the Ju-88, and but it's vintage engineering and assembly. It's reminiscent of that type of kit. It was a quick build, a really quick build, because there's not much to it. It's not too technical. It doesn't have the precision of modern releases, but it offers a little bit of nostalgia to me as building Lindberg kits when I was a kid, and I like going back and redoing these old kits from my childhood.